Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the console and discharging the dual Ps4 battery for safety. Lithium cells are hazardous when cut. Once done, put on an ESD strap and remove the 4 rear screws. Carefully pry the top shell with a spudger, because forcing it can break clips. You'll then peel back the touchpad ribbon and unscrew the internal shield. These first actions expose the PCB and let you locate the Bluetooth antenna and RF module for the next. More technical steps. Now you perform the delicate work. Identify the RF/Bluetooth combo chip and antenna trace on the PCB so you don't remove the wrong part. Use flux and a temperature-controlled soldering iron or hot air set near 320 degrees C. Heat joints evenly and remove solder with wick. Once solder is cleared, lift the module or cut the antenna trace with a sharp hobby blade to prevent signal radiation. Take your time, clean pads with isopropyl, and reassemble the controller by reinstalling shields, reconnecting ribbons, and tightening screws. Then recharge the battery to a safe level around 20 to 30%. Plug in with a micro USB cable and test input to confirm wired operation. Make sure no Bluetooth device list shows the controller during a scan, because that confirms removal. If you still see wireless activity, make sure to reopen and inspect the antenna trace and check continuity with a multimeter. A small conductive bridge can leave radio enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.